Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on setting up navigation on Foundation's Seller Portal. Customizing your storefront navigation is an effective strategy to categorize your products, making it easier for your buyers to find what they're looking for. Let's take a walk through the process together. First, log into the Seller Portal. On the left-hand column, you'll find the Navigation tab. Click on this to get to the navigation settings. Here, you'll see Main Menu. Currently, Main Menu on the storefront is the only place where you can set up navigation. To start setting up your navigation, click Edit next to the main menu. Now let's start with adding menu items. Click Add Menu Item to create a new tab for your storefront. This could be a parent menu item such as electronics or apparel. Next, you can add child menu items under the parent menu item. For example, if apparel is your main item, you can add bottom wear and top wear as child menu items. You can even add further sub-items under these, creating a multi-layered navigation structure. Remember, the main item is known as a parent menu item, the first sub-item is a child menu item, and any items under that are grandchild menu items. To add products to these navigation tabs, click the pen icon next to the item. Here, you can search for a product or an entire category to add to the navigation tab. If you add a product to a grandchild menu item, it will also appear in the child and parent menu items. Once you're satisfied with your menu items and their respective products, don't forget to click Save. Now let's see how this looks from the buyer's perspective by clicking Visit Store. You'll see the tabs or parent menu items you created at the top of your storefront. Hover over a tab to see its child menu items, and hover over that to see any further items. Click on any menu item to see the products added to it. And that's it. You successfully set up navigation on Foundation's Seller Portal. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.